Hey guys, this is Gamers Decade, and in this video I'm going to show how you can install Movavi video suite cracked. Okay, so it contains the license key and stuff. So just extract the files. Display files in Explorer, and I'm going to keep it on my desktop. So I'm going to create a new folder and Movavi. Okay, so wait for the extraction completion. Okay, so once the extraction is completed, it's gonna pop up like this. So here you go, you have the extracted files. So let's just open it. Open the file. Okay, so you will see this. Okay, so now you gotta run the setup. So these both are the setup files. So if you're using 32-bit version of Windows, so you gotta run this. For 64-bit of version Windows, run this. So run it as an administrator. So it's gonna come like this. So just stick, and you could change the installation area. Okay, so this is you could change it, and you could select the language if you want, the installation settings. So now install it. So I'm going to install it. So I had already had this. Okay, so it's now installing. So wait for the installation. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so now it's gonna say start, but don't start. Okay, just close it. And now after you have completed the setup, just go to patch Movavi. Just go to the folder, and now copy the first one. Okay, the first application where you see the star symbol, just copy it. Copy. Minimize it. Minimize the screen, and you see the desktop icon, the Movavi video suite. Just open the file location of it, and you'll see this. So just right click on a blank space and paste the file. So now it has been pasted successfully. You could see it's over here. Run it as an administrator. This sound will be there. Just patch it. That's it, patching done. Close it. Refresh. That's it. So now you have successfully patched Movavi video suite 2020. So just open the file, open the application. So now you could see it's okay. So if it is asking like your version is 20.2.0, and please don't update. Okay, the patch will be gone if you update, and I'll come in the next video with the latest version, because I'm taking all the antivirus, everything, and I'm looking for the legit ones. So I'll come back with the latest version again. So now just never update. Okay, so your patch will be effectless once you update it. Okay, so it's not a big deal. Okay, like 0.2 and 3 version. See, you have patched, so I'll just go to new project. And yeah, okay. Okay, so it's over here. Okay, let it. So thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and please share. Okay, you can comment for more tutorials or more videos. Okay, and bye. Thanks for watching.